In this tutorial, I'll show you how to include categorical information in a regression by creating dummy variables. Here's the dataset we'll use. We have GDP growth rate, inflation rate, exports of goods and services growth rate, unemployment rate, and one categorical variable, European Union membership, which tells us whether each country is in the European Union or not. All the numerical variables can go straight into a regression, but the EU membership variable needs special treatment. EU membership is a category, not a number. A country is either in the EU or not, and Excel can't interpret text labels like EU or non-EU inside a regression. To use this information, we convert the category into a dummy variable, a simple O1 indicator that Excel can understand. A dummy variable takes the value 1 when the condition is true, and 0 when it's false. So for EU membership, a dummy equals 1 for EU countries, and 0 for non-EU countries. This lets the regression compare the average GDP growth of EU countries to the average GDP growth of non-EU countries, while controlling for inflation, exports, and unemployment. To create the dummy, insert a new column and type an IF formula. The formula I am typing tells Excel: if the country in row 2 is in the EU, assign a 1, otherwise assign a 0. Copy the formula down the entire column. Now you've transformed a text category into a clean numerical variable that the regression can use. I now verify that the formula worked correctly. For every country where the original EU variable shows yes, the new dummy variable assigns a 1, and for every no, it assigns a 0. To double-check, I apply a filter. All the rows with yes display a 1, and all the rows with no display a 0. This confirms that the dummy variable was created correctly.